What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be revamping my hair and I'm going to be adding in human hair curls to my faux locks. And I want to show you how I went from this to this. The human hair that I'm using is from YG Wigs, and it is, I believe, a 24 to 26 inch deep wave. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how I attach the curly hair. So I'm just gonna take a piece. You can do as big or small of a piece as you want. And I'm just going to create a tiny little loop like this by just grabbing the hair and just wrapping it around my finger like this. Okay, you're gonna keep that in one hand as is, and then you're going to take your crochet needle, put it through the part that you want to bring the curly hair through, like so, and then you're gonna push the needle through so it's literally stuck in the lock like this. And then you're gonna take that little loop that you created and you're going to put the hair onto the crochet needle like this. You're gonna close the latch. Once you close it, you're gonna pull it through. Make sure you keep that hair in your hand as is, and then you're going to attach it again, close the latch, bring it through this loop. Okay? And then you see I still have this little hole right here. I'm going to double tie this hair because I don't want it just falling out. So I'm gonna pull that through the latch again. I'm gonna pull that through the hole again. And then I'm going to pull this hair at the bottom so that it's stuck on the lock. As you can see, I'm pulling and it's not coming off of the lock. Voila, we just put one strand in. We have like 300 strands to go. It took me about 2 hours to do this side over here because I am putting strands in throughout the locks that I'm doing. So I'm doing every lock, but I'm putting strands of hair through the top, and then I'll do a couple more inches down from the top like so, doing the same process. I'm gonna pull it through here. And then another thing, if you don't want to like create a whole nother loop and all those things again, once you pull it through one time, what you can do is grab your crochet needle, put it through the lock, and then pull that hair through one more time, like that. That'll keep it secure as well. So I just showed y'all 2 different ways. And then you see how this piece is a little shorter than the rest. I don't like to leave those pieces. I actually like to cut them off. So I'm just gonna cut. And the hair is still on there tight. I always add about 4 pieces onto every lock. I'm going to put some curls on the end. Close the latch, pull it through, okay? And to secure it, I'm gonna go back through the lock. I'm gonna put that hair on, and then I'm gonna pull it through one more time. So I'm just gonna go through and continue doing the locks and just show y'all exactly what it looks like when I am finished. All right, so this is what we're looking like thus far. I don't know if I'm gonna go back in and add some more hair tomorrow, but I'm definitely done adding in here tonight because I'm tired. It is 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm over here adding human hair to my locks. See y'all in the morning. All right, so it is day number 2. Why I put up 4 fingers? Day number 2. And I'm really done with filling in this second side. The only thing that I want to do now, and this side is done as well. The only thing I want to do now is kind of just add some face framing curls in the front. And make sure I have enough curls for, you know, gaps like this because I don't want it to look really empty right there when my hair moves around. So I'm kind of just playing with it to see where I want to add more volume. That wrong, but okay, you see how I just filled in that one little spot, so now there's more volume right there. I am going to curl some of these pieces. Alright, so this is the final look. Yeah, so if you found anything useful in this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.